Hey y'all, hope y'all enjoyed that intro. These are factory second Edmonds strands and walnut. I'm going to be going over what to expect with getting factory seconds. And so I'm going to start off by going over how much it costs and what it compares to new. And then I'm going to go over all the little defects they have. And then at the end, I'm going to be going over my opinion on them. So let's start off with the costs. So these start off at $425 if you were to buy them brand new with supposedly no defects, but occasionally Edmonds runs sales, so you can get them for $250. And then for these ones, I bought these as second, so they come with some defects, and they go on sale every once in a while. So $212.50 for one pair, or sometimes they'll run a sale for $300 for two pairs. And the downside to buying seconds is if you ever want to return them, for example, if they have too many defects to your liking, it's going to cost you $25. Whereas with first, you can exchange them for a brand new pair, or you'll just get a free refund with no restocking fee. Alright, so let's go back to the shoes. From a distance, they don't look like they have too many defects, and so that's why I'm not going to be returning them, but I was only expecting maybe 3 to 5 defects overall, but these shoes I felt like they had quite a bit, but it didn't bother me too much, so let's just get started. So I'm going to start with the left shoe first. The biggest one right here was, if you look right here, the stitching around the sole right here is uneven. And if you wrap around the discoloration, there's a light brown discoloration all across right there. Let's see. Right here on the stitching down here on the sole, it looks like they missed a little bit. Again, not a big deal. If you can see the stitching right here, it's not perfectly straight right there. Right here, there's like a little dark scratch right there. I don't know if that will come out. And then on the sole right here, it's uneven right there. That's like not perfectly straight. I don't know if you can see that. And then you'll see a little bit, this edge is a little bit rough overall. I think it's more apparent on the other shoe. And that's about it for this shoe. You can see some discoloration right there, but again, not that big of a deal to me. Okay, so on to the right shoe. This shoe right here, they left a little bit of extra cork, which I think can be removed with just a pair of pliers. Right there, they seem to have left some adhesive or glue, which I'm sure will be cleaned up with some solid soap or something like that. I felt like overall the edge of the sole is unevenly stained, if you can see. And then the edging on the sole, these haven't been worn yet. They came to me right there, kind of rough. But again, that's probably gonna go away on the first wear. And then right here, there's uneven staining of the sole. discoloration, there's scuffs right there. And then let's compare the symmetry between the two shoes. I feel like the little design right here, I think it's called medallion. On one pair, it's more centered compared to the next shoe. So I think that covers most of the defects. Again, they're all very minor. I feel like most of them can be removed once you clean them up, or if you get the shoes resoled. So in conclusion, I think these shoes are really great. Even with these defects, I would still take them over not comparable, but like shoes that you can get in the same price range as these seconds, such as Johnston and Murphy's. I feel like they're a little bit more comfortable and they look really stylish, and no other company makes the same exact design on the same last. And so I think Allen Edmonds is a really great company. They have some of the best customer service, so I really encourage y'all to go and visit a store and try them on, see what you think. And so these ones, again, cost me $212. Would I buy them again at that price? Probably not. I'd probably wait for the 2 for $300 sale, or I would buy a first quality pair on sale for $250. So just let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.